Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to create a folder on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you're going to look for the yellow folder. Here on your Galaxy, we're going to go inside it. And now you'll go into the phone's memory or the memory card if you have a memory card. You choose where you want to create your folder. And here, then we click on these three dots, and here we have Create Folder. You click, choose a name for your folder, and click on Create. Here we have the folder created. You can move files into this folder, for example. I'll go into Photos, I'll press and hold on the photo, and I'll select the photos I want to move to this folder. I'll click on the three dots, and I'll click here on Move. I'll click here on the phone's memory, which is where I created the folder. And here we have the folder. I'll click to move it there. And this way, I'll go in here. I'll enter the folder, and here the files are inside the folder I created. To move these files into the folder, which was done earlier, I'll do the same process. Okay. I'll select the phone's memory and the photos and videos folder from our phone's memory. That would be the DCIM folder. I'll select this folder, which is the photos and videos folder. I'll click to move the files there. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to leave a like. Leave your comment down below. And if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.